Ka-Team Mang. It's really early right now. We're leaving. Guess where we're going? We're going to...
I don't know where we're going.
Ay, sleepy pa si baby. Hi baby. We're going to... Mami, where are we going?
Bruh.
Lake Louise! Sleepy pa yung mga kids, mga katimang. So, yeah, we're going to Lake Louise for a wedding. See you guys there.
Another car ditch. It got ditched last night. Hey, look at the frost, the winter. My SUV.
So, mga katimang, we've been driving on the road for 3 hours. We passed through Boston and Saskatchewan. I think Daddy's planning to drive all the way to Lake Louise. Wow! Can we get some food? I'm hungry.
I think there's a place to eat soon. We'll see. Just wait, Jazzy, okay?
Okay.
Another one.
There's a riot in my head. Take up the drums and join the band of my projections. Telling me it's gonna rain, bracing for the turbulence of living without consequence. There's a voice inside my head telling my mind it needs to rest. There must be magic inside you. Found you. Tell me I'm getting close to. I see you again.
Hey guys, so right now we are at Rosetown. So right now guys, we're at Rosetown and we're getting some lunch. It's currently 11:59 on my watch. And we're gonna eat some lunch at A&W, and after that we're gonna hit the road again. Naku, did you see that guys? There was lots of cars on the ditch. That was like, wow. Blew my mind. And it's about 5 more hours till we reach Van. So stay tuned mga katimang. Ganda dun. Nami, what do you have to say to Timang?
I'm so tired. Stretch my legs.
Stretch your legs.
guys, it's 2:26 p.m. and now we're reaching the boundary of Alberta and Saskatchewan. Ayan na. So, ayan, out na tayo sa Saskatchewan. At eto, welcome to Alberta! Wild Rose Country! Ayan. So guys, nasa Alberta na tayo sa wakas.
Drumheller. Wala, alas 2 oras na lang.
Ayan ang ating destinasyon.
270 na lang.
Tignan natin mga ginagawa ng mga bata. What are they doing? What are they doing? Hi mga katimang!
Hi.
Hey guys! So we just passed the Saskatchewan-Alberta border and now headed to Lake Louise, but first we're going to stop at Drumheller to check out the dinosaurs.
Is there dinosaurs in Drumheller, Jessie?
Yeah?
Really? You think we're gonna see some dinosaur bones, Jarish?
No.
What?
Ayan guys, welcome to Drumheller. Wow! Sayang hindi natin makita. Pero yan ang information. Ancient origin, modern marvels about Drumheller. Let's go guys!
Hey guys, we just started the Drumheller because
Jazzy and I wanted to see the dinosaurs and we took a couple of pictures and now we're heading back in the car because it's getting too dark and
Daddy's getting really tired. I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen.
will we make it in time?
I don't know. We need to check the next video to find out.